You ready? There's an egg. Oh! Oh no! Did you break it? Go get it! Go get the egg! Go get it! Go on! He's not sure. He doesn't want to. Okay, I'll go get it. Get it, Rex. Why don't you let Lily play with it? Rex! Get it! Get the egg! Get it! Get it, Rex! Lily! Play with the egg! Get it! Is it too cold? Is that what your issue is? Oh!
Are they yelling at it or something?
No, he's like jumping at it. Get it. Get it! You gotta break it to get the stuff inside. Oh! Oh no! It's rolling! Oh no! Lily, you're not gonna play with the egg? She's like, no, I'm not stupid. Here, I'm gonna kick it. I'm gonna kick it over to Lily. Get it, Lily. Go ahead. Oh, she's hiding behind Rex. She's like, I don't want that. Go get it. Go on. Go get the egg. You guys are so funny. Go get the egg, Lily. Go get it. You guys. Get the egg. Get it. God, he's just like, rawr. What are you shaking your head around for? Oh, it rolled. Get it, Rex. Get it. Oh, you're gonna break it. You gotta break it. You having fun with that? No, Lily. Go get the egg. Go on. Go get it. Oh. You gotta break it open and eat the stuff inside. He won't break it, Miranda. He's just playing with it. Hi, Lily. Yeah. Break it open. Break it open. You gotta open it and get it out. Lily. Come here, Lily. Oh, you broke it. Good boy. And I missed it. Oh, he broke the egg. Alright. Goodbye.